everyone, StylesbyLailani is here, bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we are about to cut our soap loaf, guys. Yes, we are about to cut our soap loaf. So if you're interested, please make sure you like this video, comment down below, share, and subscribe. Okay? Let's get right into it. I have my little co-host over here with me. He's oval. He's saying his shapes, guys. He's saying his shapes. This is little bitty old Jahari. He is 2. And he's saying his shapes. He has a oval. And he has a heart. Right? Making sure the seal is all loose, y'all. I'm gonna have to do it like this way. Look at that, y'all. Heart. Oval. Heart. Oval. It's my little co-host, Jahari. So, hello everyone. StylesbyLailani is here, bringing you the natural styles of life. And we are unloading our all-natural clay soap. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get ready and cut our soap loaves. Let me set y'all back up right. I have to open the door for my husband. Yo, it is so cold here in Chicago. It's like a negative 13 right now. So of course we're gonna cut off the front part first for one sample piece. Thanks, babe. So this is our first piece. It's actually really gorgeous. So we are gonna cut about 2-inch bars. Let's zoom y'all in. Yeah, it's a full house, but the show must go on. We can't let them kids stop netting. Okay. Let's bring y'all down a little bit. Hold on, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I hope this is at a better angle for you guys. Okay, so let's finish cutting our bar. I think I want to do a 3-inch bar. What do you guys think? I'm sorry. It's so gorgeous to me. I love it, guys. So these are 3-inch bars. So what do you guys think? Okay, let's finish cutting our bars, y'all. Okay. Jahari Snowman? Did you say snowman? Huh? Why you throw it? Okay, y'all, let's get started on our next board. That's how this loaf looks. Cut our first bar off. More pink is in that one. There's my 3-year-old. Yes, yes, yes. Huh? You want tickle tickle? Twinkle twinkle little star? Can someone help Dream turn on Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Okay, y'all. So at this point, I just sped it up because in the last clip, as you heard, they started a whole nursery rhyme session. So I hope you enjoyed the soap. Make sure you like this video right now and comment down below of what you think of this bar of soap. It smells so good, so relaxing. It actually has peppermint in it and yang yang. I always pronounce it wrong, but y'all know what I mean. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hello everyone. So this is the cuts of this bar of soap. We haven't named it yet. So you guys comment down below and what should we name this bar of soap? Okay, it smells so therapeutic, so essential, and it is. It has cocoa butter, shea butter, goat's milk goat's milk in it as well. Red clay, alfalfa powder, and French green clay as well. Let me know what you think about my bar of soap. And until next time, have a good day. Bye.